coming here after so long?
Actually, I visit here every year. In this reunion, at least I make it a point to visit. However, I am connected with all of the professors very closely all throughout the year. That is also due to my PhD in IBS Hyderabad, which is going on. And it feels great to be a part of. So, once in 2019, I was here covering this occasion as digital secretary, and now I am coming here as the alumni, and you guys on the other side. So,
So,
it's
what
around.
was a legendary story from the back then, being the digital ambassador, the first digital ambassador of your time?
So, no, I was not the first digital ambassador, but I was the first digital secretary. So, it was a new thing, and it was whole lot of responsibilities also. So, it was amazing to work with the team. Lot of things happened for the first time, like this marathon happened for the first time that year. So, it was that was I think a mega event, and none of us had the experience to handle it. So neither through digital means, not through coverage, not through arrangements, but it was a great time to work together, and so you for those shoots and all, we used to go early in the morning at 6 to the lake to do the shoots with the runners, so as a part of promotion campaign. So I think those days were very great, and was the first time experience for all of us who were doing it. So I think that was my most memorable thing from those days of being the digital secretary.
Ma'am, if there is any one chance given to you to relive any one moment from the entire college life, what would it would be?
There were very good moments all throughout, but I think one moment, uh, it would be definitely Brio. Brio again. So I think that 2 days show, I think that was a great part of this MBA life to enjoy. So yeah, MBA life is full of pressures, but then these moments are something which will not come back. And I was not directly into MBA from college. I was working before doing my MBA. So I think after that work period, coming back to college and reliving those memories, that was the most interesting thing. Yeah.
Ma'am, and any one advice you would like to give to the current digital ambassadors team?
So now it's nothing new. We have been doing that for quite long. We have got to see, but yeah, that was the first time when we were doing. So a lot of new ideas, new technologies, new things, everything have come up now, and I see the IBS page where these things are happening now in a different pattern that we used to do before. So actually, I really enjoy that. That now that has got updated, and the team is really working hard to bring out something new every day. So I think that's a good job they are doing. No other suggestion from my end.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.